is here.
Yay, it's here. It's here. Rarity is driving the food truck. Who should go first?
Can Twilight go first?
Twilight. Okay. Hello? Is anyone here? Hello? Oh, hi. Do you have any food?
What do I?
Like I was thinking maybe some ice cream, maybe some vanilla ice cream.
Okay. Coming right on.
Da 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 da. I'm dancing while I wait. I'm so hungry.
Want the ice cream?
Ooh, thank you so much. I'm going to eat it over here at the picnic table.
No, we're going to go back and have one.
Oh, are we gonna go on a picnic?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I'll just hold on to my food as hard as that will be. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, it is Applejack's turn.
Okay. Applejack, what would you like?
I was thinking maybe a slushie. Do you have a slushie here?
What kind?
How about blue?
Okay. Pinkie Pie had that the last time.
Oh, that's red, but I'll eat that anyway. That's okay. Thank you.
I wanted red.
I think he asked for blue, but that's okay. Red's good too, huh? Here comes Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie, what would you like?
I was kind of craving maybe something strawberry. Do you have anything strawberry?
With a spoon.
Ooh, I love spoons. Thank you.
Who else wants to go?
Well, I think Fluttershy and Rainbow Dash still needs a snack too. Hi. Hi. I was wondering if maybe you had like a Pop-Tart. I love Pop-Tarts.
I do have one. Here you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
No, don't eat it yet.
Okay. I'll try
it's
my best.
It's Rainbow Dash's turn.
Finally, yay, my turn. Hi. Hello? Oh, hi, Rarity. Can you just give me...
Ready? I didn't know you would get the food truck.
Yeah, Rarity, when did you start working here?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you like working here, Rarity? Do you think you could just maybe like surprise me with some food? Here, I'll close my eyes. I won't look.
I know it. I know. You would give me something.
Can you make it a surprise? Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. A blue slushie. It matches my color. I'm blue and it's blue. Just one little drink.
Before we go.
Yep. Okay, guys. It's time to go on a picnic.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Rarity.
Okay, everybody in the van.
I will ride in the truck.
In the trunk. Be careful back
What
there.
does Twilight have?
She had the vanilla ice cream. Hold on to your ice cream, please. Who's next? Who's next? Well, who's driving? Which pony wants to drive?
Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie, okay.
Pinkie
Pinkie Pie is going to drive.
Pinkie Pie.
Did Pinkie Pie forget her strawberry food, though?
What's Pinkie Pie?
Okay, who's next? Time to load up, guys. How about, I was gonna say Fluttershy.
Where do you think Fluttershy survived?
I think she wants to ride in the back seat with her Pop-Tart. Or she could ride on the trunk or on top of the roof.
No.
No, that would be kind of dangerous, huh?
No,
Oh,
it's dangerous.
that's too dangerous. Someone's going to get
She
hurt.
would ride back here.
Okay, up front. Don't forget her Pop-Tart. There you
She's,
go.
she's gonna ride with Pinkie. I think Pinkie Pie wants to ride.
It's my turn. Where can I sit?
Wait.
On the roof. Don't forget the slushie. And finally, why does Rainbow Dash always have to go last?
Okay, get in.
I'm going to have the back seat. Wow, all to myself. And I'm going to save my slushie till we get there. Oh, it fell.
Okay.
Oh, darn. Okay, let's go. We're going to the park. Let's have a picnic in the grass, guys. Everybody out.
Water side. Usually have a pic. Usually camp in the grass.
Or have a picnic. We didn't bring our blanket, but that's okay. The grass feels good on our feet. Can Rainbow Dash come out next since she always has to go last?
Pinkie Pie wants to about everything.
Okay. Come on out, Rainbow. Rainbow Dash.
Twililight's in the trunk.
Don't forget your slushie, your blue slushie.
We're missing Rarity.
Yeah, Rarity was working at the food truck. It was pretty busy. It was so busy at the food truck. Oh, Pinkie Pie forgot her strawberries.
See, Rarity's working at it.
Yep, it was so busy.
She's still at the food truck.
So she's not going to be able to make it to the picnic. Oh, but we miss Rarity. We miss her so much. Maybe next time. Oh, somebody lost their drink in the back of the truck.
Back of the truck?
See that bottle of water? Can you get that? Everybody can share. We brought a drink. Guys, after we're done eating, maybe we should go to the playground.
Okay. I'm feeding Pinkie Pie.
Yummy.
Okay, we're all done with our picnic.
Yay, it's time to go to the playground. Who wants to drive to the playground? How about Rainbow?
No, it's not old enough.
She's not old enough. Darn. Okay, how about Twilight?
No, she's not old enough.
Okay,
Pinkie. Pinkie's the driver and Ember.
Okay, everybody in.
I thought Twilight's gonna ride in the trunk.
Okay, so everybody should just sit where they sat the last time. Oop. All right, let's go.
Sir, Mom, Yum.
We're almost there.
Yay! This is the playground.
We made it! Yay! Woohoo! We're gonna play one at a time so nobody gets hurt.
Let's play together.
Oh, okay. Let's play together after all.
If somebody gets hurt, we'll play one by one.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan. Let's just be really, really careful.
Twilight.
Oh no, our van door fell off. That's no good. Oh no. Oh no. Okay.
Maybe we can come here again with Rarity.
Yeah, that would be super
And
fun.
talk with Paul.
Maybe tomorrow we should go swimming with Rarity. We should go to the beach. Okay, who wants to go first?
I do.
Well, everybody wants to go first. What should we
How
do?
do you-
There's a cool merry-go-round.
How
There's
do
a sandbox.
How do you get up?
Well, you just climb up. Oh, no, there's no ladder. You must have to walk up the slide backwards.
You must have to walk up the slide.
Whoa, that's always fun, huh?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Everybody's here! Twilight is going down the slide. Be careful. 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Come on, Fluttershy.
1, 2, 3. Whee!
Come on, Applejack.
Whee!
That's Whee! There goes Pinky.
Woo! So fun! Does anyone want to play in the sandbox? That looks super fun. Could build a sand castle.
This is a dinner right on the merry-go-round.
Ooh, yeah. That sounds
Let's
really
go.
fun. Can
Da.
everybody fit? Looks like just a few ponies can fit. Rainbow Dash might be too big.
Rainbow Dash might grow out of it. Rainbow Dash would too grow. Okay.
Here we go.
Woo!
Pinkie Pie and Fluttershy were feeling a little bit too dizzy. They had to get off.
Yay! We're done.
That was so fun.
Now we want to go to the sandbox.
Yeah, let's go in the sandbox.
This is a really fun playground.
Super fun.
Wait! Do you want to play X crossing?
XO.
XO.
Yeah, tic-tac-toe. Let's play.
Toe.
That's always super fun.
Oh no!
Twilight fell. So we know how to play tic-tac-toe, right, guys?
Let's play tic-tac.
Oh, somebody already got a tic-tac-toe. I see 3 O's.
Tic-tac-toe.
Fluttershy got a tic-tac-toe. Good job, Fluttershy.
Tic-tac-toe.
Does anyone else want to play tic-tac-toe?
Bye, I'm going down the slide.
Oh! 1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa.
Woo! Whoa! Wow!
What's on the...
Woo!
Woo! Didn't go Pinky.
Pinky gonna build a sand castle.
Scoop. Scoop.
I'm getting tired. Is anyone else tired? Well, guys, let's go home and take a nap, and then maybe tomorrow we can go to the beach. Okay, bye.